Hi, my name is Joseph Falbo, Certified Financial Planner, and today we're going to talk about everything is temporary. Last year we were told that inflation was temporary. This year we learned that it has stayed longer than wanted, and now investors have entered a bear market. I wish we knew how long this bear market would last, all right? But those kind of things are known after the fact. After the fact is when we find out how long it actually did last. But looking back at historical events can keep things in perspective for us today. The big historical events in the past were temporary. The Great Depression was temporary, okay? The Civil War and every war that mankind has fought was temporary. The Great Financial Crisis of 2008 and 2009 was temporary. Basically, anything that happens in life, no matter how long it lasts, is temporary. Obviously, as long as it has an end, eventually, right? Temporary can mean brief. How long is brief? How we define brief is subjective, all right? It's based on the individual, it's based on your time horizon, and whatever activity we're doing. For example, is 30 minutes brief? Well, not if you're holding your breath underwater, right? Is 30 minutes brief for an investor? Well, for an investor, 30 minutes doesn't even register. So we can amuse ourselves talking about how long this bear market is going to last or how temporary it's going to be. What really matters in a bear market is bear markets can cause damage regardless of how temporary it is. All right? There are millions have died in a temporary war, right? Some people suffer throughout their whole lives due to some sort of temporary abuse they experienced in their life. Many investors have to significantly pull back and adjust their lifestyles from the temporary great financial crisis because they sold during a temporary bear market and made their loss permanent. Okay? Historically, the markets have never not recovered from big downturns. Now, the adage, "this too shall pass," is used by some of the most disciplined investors in the world. This too shall pass. Investors that have an investment portfolio in line with their situation, in line with their goals, their needs, their risk tolerance, may be able to better withstand a temporary bear market, or the bear markets we're in, if you have a plan. Okay? How do you define temporary? What is your definition of temporary? Most investors have a long-term plan, they have a long-term strategy, but may still be influenced to make their financial decisions based on temporary headlines and temporary market movements. Now, one of the best things you can do during these difficult times in the market is to ask yourself, is this situation temporary? Is this situation temporary? You will find that crises, while they may last a while or longer than you want, tend to be temporary as businesses and consumers adapt and adjust to whatever's going on. This is the kind of perspective that could help you to stay the course during the bear market and even be able to take advantage of other people's short-sightedness. I hope this message helps you.